Good morning, traders. CPI came in yesterday, kind of forecasted, nothing higher, nothing lower, and that's exactly what Nasdaq did yesterday. It tried to push higher, then it tried to push lower, and basically has been trading inside the same range all day long. There was some reduced pressure in terms of selling, I can tell you, and a reduced pressure also on the September rate hike. But this morning, Nasdaq isn't exactly exploding anywhere, and that's what makes today interesting. We had a catalyst, we had the initial reaction, but we didn't have a follow through. And now London gets to show us whether buyers are going to step in or not, whether sellers are going to basically push price down or not. Is it actually continuation, or whether yesterday's move was already priced in? Let's break down all the levels, the liquidity, and what to expect from the market before we take the trade. If you're liking these morning sessions, guys, do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with people that you feel will have benefit from watching this video. Let's get into it. All right, everyone. So let's start looking at the daily chart. Now, the daily is basically accumulating in a very, very nice bullish pattern. We have a nice little flag that is being formed on the daily chart. Now, this you can call it a flag, or if you wanted to take it from the bottom, you can call it a pennant. It doesn't matter. But we have a nice accumulation happening after a good move up. We are back inside the lower boundaries of this symmetrical triangle that was forming, even though we haven't yet completely achieved the target for the symmetrical triangle, but we have done what it was supposed to do. It has gone down into the discount, touched it, and reflected back. Now, what am I expecting from the market? Till the time we are in the accumulation, on the higher time frame, I really don't want to push my chances. I want to wait for this to break out. I want this to kind of give me a view of, hey, this is what I want to do. This is the displacement that you are waiting for. But a daily displacement is not going to help us, right? The daily displacement will be visible on the 4 hourly time frame. So let's quickly look at the 4 hourly time frame and see what's going on the 4 hourly. We are basically trading inside of this symmetrical triangle right now. So let's draw it so that we have an idea of where it sits. Now the market is literally on the upper edge. All it needs is a push. If we get that push, it would be great, right? If we get that push, we'll be breaking out of this. A displacement above all this area is what I'm looking for. Overall, you can see there are back-to-back fair value gaps over here, for which the result, I think the expected target has already been achieved. So let's just quickly look at that. 200 to 50% has been achieved. 400 to 50% has also kind of been touched, but not exactly. Now, will the market try to push towards that, or will the market basically reverse? Let's wait and watch. There is no clear direction, guys. You don't want to be trading this market with a bias of bullish, and then you're not able to take the shorts that are going to be on offer. So let's wait and watch. And to get to those shorts, I want to go down one more time frame to see what the Ali is doing, because the Ali has basically left couple of indecisive candles over here. Now, if you get a change in state of delivery on this candles, so that is around 29,790, another 140 points from here. If we can get that change in state of delivery, I would want to play a short during the New York session, taking it into 29,650 area. Very, very clear indication where the market might want to go once a change in state of delivery happens. But what if there is no change in state of delivery? If there is no change in state of delivery, guys, there is no direction that the 1 hourly is offering us at this point of time, because there's no fair value gaps to play from. There are no order blocks to play from. There is no BPRs to play from. It's basically in an area where you want to say, I really don't want to trade you. So it's okay if you are not able to find a trade today, because you just need to be patient. You just need to remember that the market is not going to offer you an opportunity every day. Let's go down to the intraday levels to see if we can find something that can be used for intraday execution. Now, guys, intraday is looking pretty okayish. We are still trading inside of that data candle that was formed right over here. So this is the 15-minute data candle that was formed during the news. Once the data candle was formed, we have been trading inside of it thereafter. We haven't gone outside of it. So it's a very, very difficult place to trade. But let me tell you, there is a way in which you can basically deduce where the market might want to go. And that way is very simple. You take yesterday's close until yesterday's close, and you take the point till the data entry came in. You draw a nice little volume profile on it, and you can see we are trading below the POC. If we are trading below the POC, we should be bearish in the market. Now, every time you're looking at this chart, you should be thinking, if I go above the POC, I'll turn bullish. If I'm below the POC, I'm going to be bearish. And every trade, guys, that you take today, it should be a scalp. You should not be aiming for that, jackpot trade. It's not going to happen. It's going to be very, very difficult. So trade those scalps. Make sure you get those 2 hours and get it out of the way. Now, looking at the intraday session liquidity, Asia low is intact. We basically haven't taken previous day low. We haven't taken previous day high. Asia low is intact. We created Asia high, straight away swept by London Q1. London Q1 left a nice little 15-minute fair value gap. But what happened next? We inverted it. And now we are getting rejected from the inverted fair value gap. Where should this market be going? My money would be put on the market going down, sweeping London Q1 low, trying to reverse from there somehow, and maybe taking a trade back towards New York PM high, because we're leaving this liquidity just untouched right above us. Now, if that doesn't happen, and let's say we get a 5-minute displacement lower after London Q1 low, I would be looking for a scalp, guys, towards Asia low. I would be looking to take the market further lower towards Asia low if I get that opportunity, guys. This is very, very crucial. Remember the words. Today is a day where you want to wait, where you want to let the market come to you instead of you pushing and trying to find a trade everywhere. Now, guys, if you're liking all this content that I'm posting for morning sessions, through kind of giving you the analysis for the whole day, do like and subscribe to the video. It's very, very crucial for us to grow. The more we grow, the more content we can offer. Also, if you're not in our Discord, guys, let me tell you one thing. I'm introducing a weekly newsletter in our Discord. The link to the Discord is in the description. It's free of cost, and join it. Enjoy the newsletter until it is turned paid. So you still have a lot of time available to you to enjoy that newsletter for free. It has more than 30 stocks that you can add to your watch list with the exact chart pattern that you really want to trade. It has all the major markets in the world, whether it be indices, whether it be ETFs, whether it be currency pairs, whether it be global markets. It has each and every ticker analyzed, telling you exactly where you should be looking for, what are the areas that are crucial to you. So do join the Discord, guys. Now let's move on to the 5-minute time frame. The 5-minute time frame has just given you a change in state of delivery. Now, do you want to trade this change in state of delivery? My answer to you is no. Why? Because we are so close to the London Q1 low, and if you can see, there is a back-to-back fair value gap right over here. This is a very small one, and then there is this one. And the first target is literally below London Q1 low. So what I want to see instead is that the market goes down, hits that target, and shows me some sort of reversal pattern from there, from which I can target the higher prices. So guys, the plan for today, guys. CPI gave the market the initial push, but now I want to see where the price really wants to actually hold the structure and continue. I'm not going to try and chase any move. I'm watching NQ to come into one of the areas that I've mentioned throughout the video. Do watch it. Show me the setup that I really want to see. So if you really like these things, guys, hit the like and subscribe button. I request you again. It helps us grow. It helps us break down more stuff that you really want, get more people on board. And if you have a bias that you want to trade today, drop it in the comment section, guys. I really want to see what you guys are thinking. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.